Dollar Tree has these mini cute garden, create your own garden. I said, say what? Honey, if I'm lying, I'm flying. Now check this out. You want to see this? You're looking for something that's absolutely amazing at Dollar Tree. Now, when I show you this, honey, you may want to take a pencil, a pen, eyeliner, or something to write this stuff down. Check this out. You know we hit the jackpot, don't you? I said, you know we hit the jackpot, don't you? We hit it. Check this out. Listen, if you eat enough of these, you will be Big Debbie. Honey, this tastes good. This tastes so good, honey. Do you mind if I take you there? Honey, we just at the Dollar Tree, doing our thing. Like a chicken wing. Now, check these amazing items out. I say, what? Nothing like when I was growing up did I see anything as fancy as this. Check this out. So Dollar Tree said, listen, we gonna get it right, because we want all your coins. All right, Dollar Tree has the unicorn kite. They have the butterfly. Look how fancy this is. I mean, the colors. Honey, take them kids to the park this summer. I want to stay cooped up in the house. They also have the Geico over here. Like this, honey, it's the colors for me. Really, really cute. The unicorn. And honey, they also have the dragon. Honey, they ain't playing. Honey, do I got something good for you? Honey, we just moving and grooving, moving our feet to the Dollar Tree. You get what I'm saying? That's all I'm doing. I'm just moving my feet to the Dollar Tree. Now check this out. When I tell you these plushies are so amazing and cute, they are absolutely gorgeous. These are $5. Honey, look at the rhino. And this is the collection that it comes, okay? Now, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but we got some professors over here, so you guys let me know in the comment section. Now Dollar Tree also have the dino. I mean, when I come here, my inner child, it just go wow. I tell you, this bunny, honey, this bunny ain't acting. So today when I was in Dollar Tree, I said, oh, let me get the strawberry milkshake flavored bunny. Now I took 2 bites, but just for the sake of this video, okay, honey, this tastes good. This tastes so good, honey. I'm not going to eat the whole thing. I'm really not. I'm going to put this in the freezer and be nibbling on it from time to time. But this bunny is good. I want to know in the comment section, honey, before we get into that, we just moving and grooving out here. That's all we doing, just moving and grooving out in these Dollar Tree streets. Check this item out. So when I tell you Dollar Tree is out here moving, I mean, it is the turners for me, all right? Now, normally I would say just a spatula, because come on now, Dollar Tree has these Smurfs. How fancy is this? I mean, this is so, so cute. They also have Winnie the Pooh and Garfield. This is Garfield. They have Winnie the Pooh over here, Chow, and then they also have SpongeBob. Now, these are $1.25, styling and definitely profiling. Honey, let them kids get involved with the cooking. Tell me in the comment section if you guys think this. Now, this is fancy, honey. I'm trying to tell you, this is a fancy item. Now, Dollar Tree is out here doing it for you and me. Check this out. Did you guys see this? All right, so this is the Gibson. This is the Gibson silicone spoon. Honey, it's just giving different. You get what I'm saying? It's just giving different. Now, they also have this one as well. Chill, when I tell you. And these items were $1.25. They also have, this is the pasta servo. Ooh, chill. They out here showing out. Now, check this out. They have so many different ones. I want to make sure I get all the different ones, okay? Honey, if you're really fancy, you know what a ladle is, okay? If you fancy, you know what a ladle is. Honey, $1.25 out here moving and just out grooving. Dollar Tree has the 4-section storage box, the multi-size compartments, 1 large, 1 medium, and 2 small sections. So this is the large, this is the medium, and then I guess the 2 small section, or is this the medium, this the large, honey? But either which way, honey, Dollar Tree is out here moving and grooving, selling things that is cheaper than the Container Store. Absolutely love this. Now, Dollar Tree also have these snack boxes as well, 6 compartments. I absolutely love this. This is giving like a fancy vibe. Listen, if you eat enough of these, you will be Big Debbie. Now, check this out. Dollar Tree has the Easter basket cakes. Oh my goodness, honey, when I was a kid, I would tear these things up. They also have the spring butterfly cakes. They have the Nutter Buddy. Oh, these was there. Okay, you remember in the summertime you would have the long ices that was like 25 cents back in the day, honey. Let me just take it away. They also have the cosmic brownies over here. These are $3. The oatmeal cream pies, honey. Who remember this? And then they also have the spring mini donuts over here. These are $3. If you guys are looking for a sweet treat, maybe you have a sweet tooth of some sort, check these items out at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has the strawberry milkshake flavor bunny that sure isn't acting funny. They also have the double crisp, chocolate crisp, and crunchy candy. Now, check this out. How fancy is this? This is the Carrot Patch Pea. Honey, it's the carrot for me. Tree has the donut calf. Honey, this is giving Dunkin' Donut vibes. You get what I'm saying? This may be a doopity doop. These are $5. They also have the Hills Bros Gourmet. You get 12 of these cups for $5. And then they also have these as well, $5. This is giving Hills Bros is giving, fancy, giving name brand. You get what I'm saying? If you gorgeous folks are looking for if you're looking for something to help dry your hair, these microfiber towels, they have the Smurfs. They also have SpongeBob as well. Now, look like somebody done opened this, honey. And then they also have the Blue Smurfs. Now, these are $1.25. I show you this next item. Oh my goodness. Now, I done seen some of these, but this one is by far the best. Honey, it's the color and everything. So I guess depending on which Dollar Tree you go to, they have different colors and stuff. Honey, and it is this. This is the Paw Patrol bath pool. Honey, how fancy is this? This is $1.25, styling and definitely profiling. So if you guys are looking for coffee, Dollar Tree said, listen, we're going to give you so many options. Look at this. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. So today we are at Bloomfield Dollar Tree. And when I tell you they have some great finds, check this out. So first up, they have these paddle boards. You remember these back in the day, honey? Hey, love this. This is $1.50. Chill. All right, family, look. It is these Nail Besties over here. These are $1.25. When I tell you styling and definitely profiling. Now, you know my thing is red, right? Absolutely love the red. But these are definitely do. They have the coffin nails, honey. 12 of these for $1.25 is definitely out of this world. It's jackpot after jackpot. It's just jackpot after jackpot. Check this out. Dollar Tree has the fleece bed blanket, full and also queen sizes. They come in 2 different colors. They have the cream and then they also have the gray. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here. I'm just going to be the fabulous MC that take it away. Now, they also have the full fitted sheets over here. These are $10. This is a steal deal, like holy feel. Wrinkle resistant, easy care, super soft. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here styling and definitely profiling. Now, they also have the 2-piece pillowcase sets, wrinkle resistant. Okay. Looking for something fancy? I just heard you was looking for something fancy. Honey, check this out. So when I say fancy, honey, how cute is this? Honey, it's the bunny, okay, with the ears. Absolutely love this. Now, you know, gold is my thing, like a chicken wing. They also have this silver. Ooh, child, I like this. This is $1.50. Dollar Tree has these mini cute garden, create your own garden. I said, say what? Honey, if I'm lying, I'm flying. Now check this out. You want to see this is the mini brands create garden, 18 mini plant to collect, all right, 5 surprise minis to make inside. Now, honey, you know what it was for me? It was the ultra rare scented plant. Now, these has, I guess, like a little tube in here to make the plant smell good. Oh, Lord, I said, say what? Honey, these are $5, a steal deal like Holyfield.